Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I start in the name of Allah who is the most merciful and beneficent. My name is Sariba on the behalf of English Institute Latifabad campus, student of Journal 1 second month. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today my presentation topic is education system in Pakistan. Before I start my presentation, I want to share the situation of education. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. First of all, I will tell you the introduction with the reference of a Constitution of Pakistan. Education in Pakistan is overseen by the Federal Ministry of Education and the provincial government, whereas the federal government mostly assists in curriculum development, accreditation, financing of research and development. Article 25A of the Constitution of Pakistan. The state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 5 to 16 years in such a manner as may be determined by law. Education system in Pakistan. Pakistan education system is generally divided into 6 levels. Preschool from the age of 5 to 16, 6 years. From the age of 3 to 5 years. Middle years 1 to 5. Primary years 6 to 8. High years 9 and 10 leading to a secondary school certificate or SSC. Intermediate leading years 11 and 12 leading to higher secondary school certificate or HSSC, and university program leading to undergraduate and graduate degrees. Pakistan still has low literacy rate, and Pakistan also has the second largest out of population 22.8 million children. Crisis and reason of education system in Pakistan. Pakistan education system is the worst education system to all over the world because Pakistan provides academic education system. It not provide a learning education. Cheating culture is a norm in Pakistan. Cheating is the biggest reason that students not focus their studies because they know very well they will pass the exam by cheating. In fact, in the examination hall, teacher also facilitate the cheating material to the student. So we cannot blame just a student. Also, a teacher mistake for become a worse education system in Pakistan. Mostly students ask the questions for teachers about syllabus, but teachers have no idea regarding this. In fact, they say this is the out of syllabus. So that's also a reason students